On to another truck in Mix 4. It is the Blue CRUSHSTATION, coming here in the Spin Master Monster Jam series. And he is in Crazy Creatures. And he has a poster that comes along and a figure. And here we go with the trucks on the back. Alien Invasion, Soldier Fortune, Monster Mutt, Big Kahuna, there's Gravedigger, the Overcast, Captain's Curse, Northern Nightmare, and the training truck of Megalodon. So let's go ahead and unbox this CRUSHSTATION from Spin Master's version. There we go, we get a blue figure with a steering wheel, and I just want to check real quickly the poster if it's the same, and it looks like it is with Monster Mutt. It is. So that's the Mix 4 poster, and then all the different kinds of trucks that came out and are coming out. I'm just having a hard time getting those training trucks. Alright, on to now the truck of CRUSHSTATION. Those blue wheels really look nice, goes along with the body. Of course, blue and blue, really good. I'm glad that they did that. CRUSHSTATION, the name is very good. Just all the detail that goes into the body of CRUSHSTATION looks very good. We get McLaughlin Seafood. There we go. And then on to the front. Now, I never noticed this on, the Hot Wheels version, but it looks like that those are eyes for the lobster. I looked on pictures of the CRUSHSTATION truck, and sure enough, they have it on the truck. To me, it looks like we have, the motor coming down with the exhaust like everything else. Very nice. Driver's inside. And since the body is a whole lot bigger than Spin Master's version, now the Monster Lobster the whole way down, the back from the front to the back of the truck onto the creature of the lobster is very cool. I'm going to show you right now the Hot Wheels version of CRUSHSTATION, and you'll see the difference. This was the Team Flag edition of the Hot Wheels version, and you can see how big the name of CRUSHSTATION was onto the truck. And then to now on the right hand side of the Spin Master's version, onto the front of the truck of CRUSHSTATION, with no eyes on the Hot Wheels version compared to the eyes on Spin Master's version, and a little bit longer point here compared to Hot Wheels version. I'm going to show you also, look how small and compared that they did the Monster Lobster, so smushed together, and then what they did on Spin Master's version, very good. Goes the whole way down from the front to the tail of the truck. A lot of detail to look like a lobster compared to Hot Wheels version. So, thank you for tuning in to this unboxing and review of CRUSHSTATION.